In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed web pages in Tableau. This feature can greatly enhance the interactivity of your dashboards by integrating external web resources directly into your visualizations. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Tableau public app on your computer. Once it's open, access your worksheet where you've been working on your data visualization. If you've already created a dashboard, make sure to navigate to it, as this is where you will embed your web page. On your dashboard, you'll see an Objects pane located on the left-hand side. This pane is where you'll find all the elements or objects you can add to your dashboard. From here, you'll want to drag the web page object onto your dashboard canvas. This action allows you to position the web page within your dashboard. As you drag the object, you'll notice that Tableau offers you the option to place your web page in either a tiled or floating layout. Choosing a tiled layout will integrate the web page into the grid of your dashboard, while a floating layout allows for more freedom of positioning on top of other elements. Decide which option works best for your design. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a URL that will be the default for your embedded web page. If you anticipate embedding a static web page, enter the URL directly. However, if you plan to have dynamic content, leave this field blank for now. You will be setting this up with a URL action. To set up a URL action, head over to the dashboard menu and select Actions. Click on Add Action and then URL. Here, you need to specify the source sheets, which will trigger the URL action. These are essentially the items you'll interact with on your dashboard that will control the web page display. Determine how you want this action to be triggered, whether by hover, click, or other interaction types. This control allows you to specify exactly how users will reveal the web content when interacting with your dashboard. For those using a dynamic URL, you'll need to insert the appropriate fields from your data source containing the relevant URL information. This step is crucial in creating a truly interactive experience, as it allows the web page to change based on the data being viewed. Finally, make sure to select the web page object and choose the specific web page object you previously added to your dashboard from the list provided. This selection ensures the web content loads appropriately in your dashboard. Now interact with your dashboard to verify that the components are working together seamlessly. Whether it's clicking or hovering, ensure that the embedded web page updates dynamically as intended. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a web page into a Tableau dashboard. Enjoy the enhanced interactivity this brings to your visual data presentations.